boys and girls, welcome to Roaring Guitar. We have Florence on the machine here with a very nice song, Music by Men. Alright, very straightforward song, simple chords. We have a couple chords to go over, yes, but they're very simple and easy to handle. So let's go into it. We have no need for any capo here, and I believe we have 5-6 chords or so. So let's do it, starting with A minor. We have open A, second E, second G, first B, and open E. E minor next. Open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E. We have G next, and that goes third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. C. Third A, second D, open G, first B, open E. We also got the D minor in the chorus, and that goes open D, second G, third B, and first E. And finally, in the bridge part, we have the A sharp chord. We're going to go with the sus version, so that is a bar chord. You play the index finger on the first fret, you push down all strings except for the last E string. Then you also need to add third D and third G. That's it. So let's learn the strumming pattern. Very simple. If you go with the A minor, that is how the song starts. One round goes like this. So it's first one down, then down up, and then up down up. So down, down up, up down up. Couple rounds. So the first verse, we're going to go into it. It's about 3 rounds. And the first 2 rounds goes A minor 2, E minor 2, G2, and A minor 2. Okay? So I'm going to play that first. A minor 2, E minor 2, G2, and A minor 2. Play a second round of that, and then the third round is played C1, E minor 1, and A minor 2. And that's the first verse. Then we hit the pre-chorus at 59 seconds in. Let it be us, that is where we are in the lyric. And what you're going to play here is C1, E minor 1, A minor 2. Then C1 and E minor 1. Let's do that together. C, E minor, E minor, C, E minor. All right, and now we hit the first chorus at 1 minute and 11 seconds in, because I know how it fall in love. How to fall in love, sorry. Yes, and we're gonna play now 4 rounds of D minor 1, A minor 1, C1, and E minor 1. So D minor, A minor, C, E minor, 4 rounds of that, like this. I play 2 rounds for you, you're gonna play 4, and that is the chorus, and then you're gonna finish this first round of everything with the instrumental part. You're gonna stay on that A minor for 2 strumming rounds. And that is the first round. Now, into the second round, you're gonna play the second verse exactly in the same way as the first one. And the same goes with the second pre-chorus and even the second chorus and second instrumental part. So everything is just repetition here, guys. No need for any changes. And after that comes the bridge part. We hit now the 3 minutes and 20-second mark. What you're gonna play here is A sharp, 2 string rounds, A minor, 2 string rounds. You repeat that again. So A sharp 2 and A minor 2. So 2 rounds of that. Back and forth, and then on third round you're going to play C1 and E minor 1. So let's do that together. A sharp, A minor, is the bridge. Now into the final parts of the song, the third chorus, and yes, you're gonna play that in the same way, 4 rounds of that: D minor, A minor, C, and E minor, and then you have the final instrumental part, and that is to stay on the A minor, not for 2 string rounds, but for 4. And that, my friends, is how you handle a great song from Florence and the Machine. It's called Music by Men. Okay, one man is here playing for you guys and educating you. I work a lot, so if you want to support me and my music for men, then you just subscribe to this channel. If you have done that already, then you like this tutorial, because that is what you're watching right now. And be back here for next upload, of course. Till then, guys, play tuned.